Hey there, data leaders. Welcome to part 3 of our deep dive into building a bulletproof data governance framework. If you missed the first 2 episodes, here's a quick recap. In part 1, we provided an overview of our framework and why data governance is your secret weapon for turning chaos into clarity. Check out that video by clicking the link above. In part 2, we mapped out how to align your data strategy with business goals. No more flying blind. The data strategy becomes a key input for data governance, helping to define the mandate, priorities, and scope. That video is shared above. In every organization, clarity is the cornerstone of progress. And when it comes to data governance, that clarity begins with a single document, the Data Governance Charter. A concise, powerful blueprint that defines the mission, principles, and ownership of an organization's data strategy. This charter isn't just paperwork. It's our executive mandate, a commitment to treat data as the asset it is, and it empowers your team to lead the charge. Short but strategic, the charter sets clear boundaries and objectives. It's the spark that ignites the framework, the foundation of trust, compliance, and innovation. From intent to action, the charter turns vision into reality.
Subscribe now so you never miss an update. We're dropping pro tips every week. Let's dive in.
Picture this. Your company's data is a ship lost at sea. Without a charter, your crew is arguing over maps, the compass is broken, and the captain's nowhere in sight. Sound familiar? A data governance charter isn't just a document, it's your declaration of intent. It answers 3 big questions. Why are we doing this? Hint, it's not just because compliance said so. Who owns the process? What outcomes will we chase? Let's break it down step by step. First, your charter needs 4 non-negotiable elements. Mission statement. This is your why. For example, to ensure trusted, actionable data that drives customer retention and compliance. Keep it short, but make it inspire. Think less corporate jargon, more rallying cry. Secondly, identify objectives linked to business outcomes. Go beyond vague goals like improve data quality. Get specific. Reduce customer churn by 15% through unified customer profiles. Cut compliance fines by 30% with auditable data lineage. Roles and authority. Who is responsible for making data governance work? Pro tip. Start small. A 5-person team beats a 50-person committee. At this stage, you are looking for the core team that will identify and define a larger capability. Building a data governance program starts with a solid foundation, your program charter. But where do you begin? Let's break it down into 5 actionable steps. First, pinpoint your stakeholders. These are the people who will own, manage, and benefit from your data. Think executive sponsors to champion the program, data owners who control data sets, stewards who ensure quality, and custodians who handle security. Don't forget end users, they'll rely on your success. Next, define your scope. Align your program with existing business goals. Ask, what data drives our most critical outcomes? Maybe it's customer analytics, compliance reporting, or supply chain efficiency. Start small, prove value first, then expand. Example. Phase 1, govern customer and product data. Phase 2, expand to financial data in Q3. Now, set clear objectives. Tie them directly to your scope. For example, improve data quality to reduce errors in financial reports, boost security to prevent breaches, or ensure compliance with regulations like POPIA. Specific goals keep everyone engaged. Notice what's not here? Detailed policies, standards, or org charts. Save those for your framework. This is about big picture alignment. Step 4, build a communication plan. Regular updates, dashboards, or quick syncs keep stakeholders engaged. Transparency is key. Celebrate wins, address challenges, and keep the momentum going. Avoid these common charter pitfalls. Structure over outcomes. Don't start by creating a data governance council that meets monthly to debate the definition of customer. Instead, focus on a business pain point. Real-world example. A retail client wasted 6 months building roles and workflows, only to realize nobody cared. They pivoted to fixing broken inventory data causing stockouts. Result: governance became a hero, not a chore. Ignoring company culture. Is your organization centralized, top-down decisions, or decentralized, team autonomy? Case study: a decentralized tech startup let each team define their own data rules, leading to chaos. Their charter emphasized collaborative standards, e.g., all teams must tag PII data while preserving flexibility. Skipping the mandate, no executive buy-in, prepare for ghost meetings. Finally, get that stamp of approval. Present your charter to stakeholders and sponsors. Their buy-in ensures authority, resources, and accountability. No shortcuts here. Alignment is everything. Frame it as a business enabler. Use their language. Instead of data quality, say faster decisions or lower risk. Leverage existing assets, pull goals from your data strategy from part 2 and gaps from your roadmap. Pro tip, draft your charter as a one-pager for the CEO. Highlight one metric they care about, like 2 million saved by eliminating duplicate data entry. Start small, scale fast, pilot the charter with one department. Show quick wins, then expand. Example, a healthcare company launched their charter in the billing department. Within 3 months, they reduced claim denials by 20%, winning CFO support to roll it out company-wide. Let's get practical. Here's a snippet from a real charter. Mission: empower data-driven decisions by ensuring accurate, secure, and accessible data across the organization. Objective: increase sales forecast accuracy by 25% in 12 months by standardizing product data definitions. Scope: Phase 1, customer and sales data. Phase 2, supplier and inventory data. Download our free template charter, link below, to customize this for your team. Your charter's signed. What now? Build your framework, implement structures, processes, and responsibilities and tools based on your mandate. Communicate relentlessly, host a launch town hall, send monthly win emails, celebrate stewards as data champions. Iterate, revisit the charter every 6 to 12 months. Did priorities shift? Update it. Example, a financial firm's charter initially focused on compliance. After a merger, they added, enable seamless data integration across legacy systems as a new goal. To recap, your charter is the bridge between strategy and execution. Keep it focused, tie it to business wins, and get that executive muscle behind it. With your charter locked in, you're ready to govern data like a pro. Remember, start with people, align with goals, and communicate relentlessly. Your data and your organization will thank you. Next up, in part 4, we'll roll up our sleeves and begin to build your governance framework, think roles and responsibilities. Smash that subscribe button so you don't miss it. And tell us in the comments, what's the first business outcome you'll chase with your charter?